You make it so complicated. Off the drain, we concentrated. No, no, you won't leave me hanging.
What's poppin', pretty people?
We back, y'all.
Back. It's been a minute since we've been back.
Yes,
but
we've been
we're
good
back.
though. We just been working. We had COVID last week. Both
Oh
of us.
God, what a struggle. We was fighting for our lives. So if you think COVID is gone, see, listen to them.
Yeah, I still got a little cough.
Right. So if you think COVID is gone, it's not.
It's not.
Wear a
Definitely
mask
not.
if you feel like it's necessary. If you've been wearing a mask, cool. We haven't,
Excuse
so we
me,
got
y'all.
COVID. But
what we doing today, babe?
we are, as you can see, and as you read by the title, we are trying exotic foods again.
Yep.
Not really so much
We going
exotic.
international.
Yes. Not so much exotic, because
Yeah.
I mean these are things that every people eat every day,
Yeah.
but we don't eat them, so we're about to try them for y'all
Yeah.
on camera.
We got a Super G Mart. That's what it's
Yeah,
called.
Super
Near
G
us,
Mart.
and
It's an international market.
yeah, they have a lot of different stuff. So
Yeah. I had got me some longan fruit too, but they didn't taste right, so I won't probably be eating those. But anyways, make sure you like
comment
and subscribe to the channel,
and make sure you turn that bell on for post notifications.
so that way you tune into every video we drop.
Yes.
I missed y'all so much.
Yes, we did.
Okay, and I was excited to do this video because I really wanted to taste.
And y'all, it was kind of like a spur of the moment type thing.
Yeah, we just started picking up stuff.
Yeah.
Like, oh, let's try this. Like, we should try it for them.
All right.
But anywho,
Let's show the
so
drinks first.
yeah, so first we're gonna start off with the drinks. Lychee drink.
And then I got a mango. So
Yes, so we got to go ahead
they
and
had a guava too, but we didn't get that one.
yeah, maybe next time. Let us know in the comments if y'all want to see us do like another
Part
random
2.
store
Yeah.
pickup. I was about to taste mine, but she yikes. That girl was giving her mic too.
You look like a weakling.
You ready?
Mhm.
Okay.
Ooh, it smells so
Mhm.
good.
Ooh, it smells like.
Mango. Oh, this
Mm.
is good. You want that?
Yeah, that's good. I like that. Damn.
Mm.
That's good.
That mango is a 10 out of
Oh
10,
my
y'all,
gosh.
for sure. And then the guava, I get that one like a 9 out of 10 too. It's good.
This is lychee.
I mean, I'm sorry, lychee. It's good. It's good, y'all.
It's sweet. It's good though. All right, next thing. What you want to try? Want to try the mochi?
Yeah, we can try the mochi.
Okay, we're gonna try this. It's a Is it a mango? Fruit mochi.
Fruit
But
mochi.
it's
Yeah, I
mango.
think it's mango. Yeah.
mango. So, and it says, I thought it said it was made in Taiwan. One of these said it was made in Taiwan, but that don't sound okay. Packaging, cute. All right, let's go ahead and open it up.
I had watched a TikTok about them. It was like they like real squishy. Like I don't know. We're gonna see.
Like, should have got some scissors. Okay, she want to get some scissors, y'all. So, what y'all been up to? How's y'all day been on this lovely Sunday? Well, today is Sunday. How was y'all Sunday? Drop in the comments how y'all Sunday went. I really like this. It tastes really good. And you know, as a matter of fact, in the store when we went, they actually had the actual fruit. And I should have got those, but I didn't. But instead, I got the fruit I got. But anywho, she back, and we about to cut this open and try it. They look like, they don't smell like nothing. They look
don't.
like little.
I smell it a little bit though.
I don't know if y'all can see those, but they look like little pumpkins. Like,
They do. Oh, that's cute. They come in their little things.
oops.
Shoot, it is so squishy and soft.
It remind me of something. Y'all know those things that they ate on Willy Wonka, and it was like or was it the Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe?
Really?
It was something, but they had like the.
You can smell it a little bit.
Okay. I don't like it.
Me either.
It's too chewy. Like,
yeah, it's too chewy.
It's like
It don't taste bad, but the chewiness is too chewy.
ugh. Okay,
All right.
we're gonna try something different because we got 3 different mochis to try. That one was not. That one wasn't. I ain't like that.
All right.
Uh-oh.
Oops, sorry. All right. So next we're gonna try these Korean barbecue. They're hot though. There's some little oat puffs. It's kind of like some Cheeto balls or something.
Yeah, because what is an oat puff? And why do things so
Inflated.
like you know, yeah.
Yeah.
It's like you just pop it open. Yeah, let me cut it.
Okay.
I was like, about didn't even release the air. Ooh, those smell hot and they stink. I'm sorry.
Oh, I was expecting them to be like puffy. Like,
They are kinda.
like I'm talking about like balls. So.
They kind of look like the communion wafers. They're not bad, but they're not what I expected.
I said
them to
they're
taste
not
like.
bad, but they.
It tastes like
corn.
corn.
I don't know what it tastes like. It tastes like some type of.
They don't taste like corn to you?
No. It kind of tastes like. I don't know. They're not bad, but I wouldn't eat them. Like as a snack, I wouldn't eat
I
them.
don't know. I kind of like them. They taste like corn, and it's nothing related to corn.
What are we doing next?
I kind of like them. Okay, let's try these vanilla fun animal name game on each stick. Okay, a cracker stick with dip. It's vanilla cream. I've never had these, but I would assume that it's something like a you know the little sticks that you can, the little things with that come with the cheese, but instead of the cheese, it's like the vanilla cream. Cause they make some of those, I think.
Yeah, they do. I used to love them.
Okay. Oh, it's not that deep. Okay. They give you way more sticks than it seems cream to be. That cream is good.
Yeah, that's
The
good.
cracker is buttery, nice, and like crunchy. Now let me read one of the things for y'all. Mole in a hole. It said fun games. That's not a game.
Okay.
I like those though. Those
Yeah,
are
they're
really
good.
good. I would buy these all the time and eat these. Those are really good.
I think next we're gonna step outside the box. We got this baked wheat cake, and this one is green tea flavor.
And I don't even know if this is. We don't know if this is like. Comment below if you've eaten it before, or know anybody who eats these. Is it a bread? Because it said a bread pastry, but it also kind of resembles a cake. So like. It doesn't have any icing, but it doesn't even smell like anything.
You
I'm breaking it in half.
I'm gonna just
Or-
break a little piece off.
Okay. Is it? That's crazy. You would think it was soft.
It do feel like bread though. It look like bread too.
It do.
Ready?
No, I would not eat this. It's
Yeah.
so dry, like so thick.
Yeah.
Comment below also if you know how to eat these. Maybe we're not eating them right. Maybe you're supposed to like cut them down the middle and
Probably supposed to eat it with something, but like.
this flavor nasty.
Yeah, I get that one a 0.
Zero. Big 0.
What you wanna eat next?
Well, let's try these pizza potato chips.
Pizza potato.
Pizza potato chips. Let me see what they're hitting first. Ooh, these stink.
What does it smell like? Oh, it
Like,
smell like cheese.
like feet though,
All right, y'all.
But
We're
not-
about to try it. You ready?
but not like corn chip type smell. These are really good.
They're actually good.
I would eat these.
Me too.
I mean, I am eating them, but like buy them on a regular, like it's like a chip that you don't eat all the time that's in the store. This is, and they don't taste like pizza. It tastes like a barbecue chip.
Those are really good.
Like a cheesy barbecue. I'm gonna have to come back to them, babe.
So
We
I'm
like
picking
them.
next.
Yeah.
So I'm picking next.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna try these.
I hope those are good. At least they lychee flavor. Okay, here we go. Let's try this again.
I really think it's just the texture.
It
y'all.
is the
'Cause
texture.
Okay, this is what this one look like, y'all. It's whitish looking.
And this is, I busted mine open so y'all can see, like, that's like the texture of the inside.
You ready?
See, I like the inside.
It's definitely too squishy.
Bad boys open. These are made by Lay's. But they're lime flavor. I said that like I'm on a commercial. These are made by Lay's. Okay. And this isn't even like, I don't know what type of material this is, but it's not like a, and they're not even, look how that's packaged. Ain't that cool? Our Lay's aren't packed, our Pringles ain't packaged like this.
Double security.
Right. Like, extra freshness. Okay, ready? They don't smell like nothing. That's nasty. No mas.
Yeah, I rate them like a 1 out of 10. It's surprisingly, it got a sweetness to it. Like,
It tastes like something that you would eat with a dip, though.
oh, for sure.
Maybe, like, if you were to eat it with a dip. Now, I will say, like, as far as, like, flavor dusting on the chip, these have way more flavor dusting than, like...
Yeah, they got it right with the packaging. It do seem like it conserves more of the flavor and stuff.
For sure. But I flavor-wise, not tea.
Okay, next. We about to do the yang dipping sticks again with the dip. This one is strawberry. Yeah.
Ooh. I'm sorry. Them
Tell me your drink.
last chips was not it. Let me get one of them bad boys. What yours say?
Gallop away, horse.
Oh, I think you're supposed to read this part and you're supposed to guess what animal it is. Like, do not be timid. Mouse.
This one is good too.
These taste like those ones we had that time where it was like this was on the outside and the strawberry was on the inside. Instead of zipping it. But these are better. And I could buy
I keep going back.
I could buy a whole bunch of these and eat them.
And these are cheap too, y'all. I don't know how much they were, but
that's a nice snack.
Especially at work or something.
And they
Which
give you a
ones
lot
you
of
like
those
better
sticks.
so far out of the vanilla and these?
The vanilla.
Yeah.
I think those are really good. What
Yeah,
flavor
those
is
are
this?
really good. Chocolate.
Okay.
I feel like you gonna love me.
I don't know.
You know, you a chocolate fiend.
Maybe we were supposed to let it get like room temperature before we ate it, because this one seems soft. Okay, this is what we're trying next. It's Hokkaido milk. It says it's a baked wheat cake, so
Yeah, it's like the other one that we tried. But it's a different flavor.
yeah. And it says it's a natural yeast bread. I like yeast rolls that are baked and cooked or whatever, so hopefully maybe this doesn't disappoint. I don't know what the milk flavor is about. Kind of smell like bread. It is soft. I'm just wondering, like, where does the flavor come in at? Like, is it
You ready?
in the center? Yeah. I like this bread better, though. That other one was nasty.
Yeah. This one don't taste like none.
It tastes like regular sweet bread, like almost like a Hawaiian roll. I kind of like it. Definitely seems like you're supposed to eat it at more of like a room temperature, though. But when we got them, they were like more refrigerated. They were like a cool section. So
now we're about to try this cream onion chips. It say wafers, but I think it's chips. But I guess it's like sour cream and onion. So we're gonna see.
what they called? Crunch 'em.
Man, they bad alright.
The thickness on this bag is crazy. That's not good.
I do. They like some sour cream and onion chips too.
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
Real heavy on the onion.
I was just about to say it like, golly.
Real heavy on the onion. They good though.
I'll fry this in the onion grease.
Golly, I'm telling you.
Ooh, that'll have your breath on 10, boy. You cannot sit and eat a whole bag of these and then think you about to go talk to somebody because they're going to be like, you want a piece of gum?
Those are good though. I rate them like a 9 out of 10.
They're not like regular sour cream and onion chips. Like, to describe them, I definitely say it's more like of an authentic, like, sour cream and onion taste. Like, as if you were to home make a chip yourself.
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead and get this out of the way. This is a double filled mochi. It's banana milk flavor. Yeah. Let's get right into it. Make sure if you have watched thus far into the video, you'll like,
Comment.
and subscribe to the channel.
And make sure you turn those post notifications on so you can be notified every time we drop
Drop it. Drop it, little girl, drop it. These dusty. I don't know why these dusty. The packaging not as cute either. But it's
them the ones I seen on TikTok.
These?
These, yeah. They made a different type of, they different texture. Like, ready?
Now I could eat these. It's just really strong banana taste.
Yeah, definitely.
But they're good.
But the texture not as, it's still really squishy, but it's not as squishy as the other ones.
It's so like
Squishy.
if you don't chew that, you've been done choked on it. It just slid down your throat.
Yep.
Oh, those are good.
What's these?
It tastes like a banana Laffy Taffy. Don't come for me in the comments. I'm like, who eats banana Laffy Taffy?
Alright, y'all.
I do.
Next, we're gonna do the Yang Yang, the chocolate.
I'm sorry, all this noise.
The chocolate flavor.
Oh, my hands are ashy. Golly. No, I'm talking about just in general. Some lotion. What is it, like Nutella or regular chocolate? These is my kind of snack right here.
I give that like a 8 out of 10.
Woo! These right here, oh baby, them are fire. They are so good. Okay, I'm gonna eat these later. We're gonna keep rolling through trying stuff with them. Oh, did you need more chocolate? I know you're not a chocolate person. No!
One time was good enough for me.
Those were so good, weren't they? Those were the best ones?
No.
Yes, they were.
No. Which one you want? No.
Yes, they were.
It's your turn.
Oh, I was gonna drink something. Let's go ahead and try this.
You can though. You drink first.
Okay, let me open it first. Let me open it up. Okay, let me try this. Let me not try it.
You
Drink
want some mango?
Oh yeah, let me get some of that goodness.
Y'all, they made pepper steak with bell peppers in it, and it was so good. With white rice, we had collard greens and baked macaroni.
Busted.
Our place was clean.
I mean, nothing left.
I look like we sat down like around the same time, right, with our plates. Turned around like the first couple times, she still had a plate. Turned around one time, clean. I'm like, God, how did you do that?
She trying to put me on blast.
It was so quiet. I thought, oh, that's what you was doing, busting that plate down.
Y'all already know. Once it's time to eat, everybody is quiet, it's silent. Everybody minding their own business. She trying to comfort me, y'all, trying to put me on blast. I was hungry though. I hadn't ate like all day, so I'm gonna just try the top because the top seems like it's the softest part. So that's what I'm gonna try, and it seems like that's where the flavor might be at. Ready?
Good.
Cheers.
No, that's like me.
Like I literally don't get what is the point of buying these. Maybe you're supposed to like. That's why I said maybe.
I said you probably have to eat them with something.
Yeah, eat them with something, or like we're eating them wrong.
I feel like I gotta eat them with something. But I'll rate that one
Wait, what?
a 1 out of 10 because I don't.
Oh, okay.
But yeah.
Cool. Anywho, last snack, y'all. Last snack. Dang, who gonna be able to read this? Look how tiny that is.
I can read it.
Oh. Excuse me.
Total fat 1%, saturated fat 0%, cholesterol.
How you know that's not an 8?
Huh?
Oh no, that's a 0.
Alright, y'all. This flavor is Korean carbonara flavor. It's spicy again.
Is these also by the Bulldog brand? Does anybody know? Cause isn't this the same little chicken thing that be on the front? I could be wrong. I don't know. Did you cut the last one?
I thought you
just poured.
I had ripped it on the side.
They look cheesy. They smell spicier than the other ones.
It smell like
They
cheese.
smell like that Szechuan
You
stuff.
ready?
I kind of like
That's
them.
pretty good.
They kind of taste like the other ones though.
Them taste more cheesy though, to me.
Yeah, those taste more like corn. Corn for sure. But I truthfully would not get neither one of those again.
So, overall,
Okay, yeah, let's
out of
roll back
everything,
through it. Eat or pass?
pass.
Pass. Mochi, what is this? This was the lychee mochi. Eat or pass? Pass. Mango mochi?
Pass.
Pass.
Green tea cake.
Pass. That's
Hard pass.
nasty. Eater pass.
Pass.
Eater pass.
Pass.
Ah, eater pass. I already know.
Mm.
Oh Lord.
Pass. Pass on that too. You ain't saying
Oh,
yours.
wait.
You ain't saying what you would do.
Oh, I would pass all of it.
Pass all of that.
Yes.
These.
Eat actually.
Yeah, I would eat these.
I would eat those. These.
I could eat them with some, like, a dip, like she said, but by themselves,
And it's like,
probably
what
not.
dip
They
would
not,
you even eat with these?
They're not terrible. I feel like an avocado type of dip or something
Like a guacamole?
Yeah.
These actually might really hit with a guacamole.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a
I would
semi.
eat that, yeah. I would
Semi-eat.
All right, what about these?
Eat.
Eat, for sure.
Eat for sure.
Oh, yeah, eat.
Eat.
Eat, but, like, I wouldn't eat the whole thing.
Honestly, actually, that's how I feel about those. I wouldn't eat the whole thing of the strawberry ones, but I'd eat some of them. But these two, I would clean the containers on these. Like, no chocolate, no wafer sticks. Drink?
Yes.
Definitely.
What about this?
Yes, for sure. And honestly, y'all, that kind of tastes like if a mango smoothie was in drink form.
Yeah, that's
Like,
like literal mango. Like, it tastes just like mango. What about, did you already ask about? Yeah, you already.
Yeah, I did. Oh, can't forget about cheap.
Eat for sure. I think that was the best little snack. Cause they good.
These
That's
things
it.
are busting.
That's it.
Mm-hmm.
So out of everything, I say we would eat probably about 6 things. Six, yeah. Cause all 3 flavors of them got the chips.
Yeah.
And then those.
So literally
yeah.
like the sweets and the chips.
Yeah.
And the drinks.
Yeah.
But the drinks like.
And like we said, these not bad, but I just don't think I could eat them like just eating them like snacking on them.
Yeah, like maybe you have to eat them with something like I said, or top some hot sauce on them. I don't know.
Yeah.
But I'm sorry, I'm just digging.
But we hope y'all enjoyed this video.
Yes.
We glad to bring y'all another banger.
Yes.
If y'all
We've
wanna
been
see-
missing for a long time.
Yes, cause work just be consuming our lives. For real.
I'm telling y'all.
But
one day we'll just be making videos for y'all full time though.
Yep.
One day.
Make sure y'all follow our TikTok too, Desi and Lita. We will be posting on there more consistently, trying to.
Mm-hmm.
What you gotta say?
That I love y'all.
Yeah, we love y'all.
And make sure
You like,
comment,
and subscribe to the channel.
turn on the post notifications,
Ding.
so you tune into every video we drop.
Yep, and yeah, we hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all want part 2,
3.
2 or 3 actually, y'all 3. If y'all want a part 3, drop down in the comments, let us know, please. And the next time we do one of these videos, we'll actually bring y'all along with us to the store, so y'all can see like what it look like, because the store is so big, y'all. But oh, and then in the next one, if y'all want us to, we can try like some exotic fruits and stuff too.
Mm-hmm.
So
that's
y'all-
something we haven't done yet.
Yeah.
I got some, like I said, some fruit in the kitchen, but I didn't. Anyways, we'll do that video for y'all.
Yeah. So
Other
but
than that,
make sure y'all stay popping,
stay paid,
stay pretty,
stay positive. We love you.
we love y'all.
Love
And
you.
until the next video.
Peace.